Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I would like to continue share the unbox experience because I have got another lot of Hermes scarf, vintage style of course. And I just received today like half an hour ago, so now I'd like to just share that with you. So yeah, without further ado, let me start it. First off, I just want to show that's still in the bag like usual, and I will just open it and tell you what I have. Just from opening this one, just want to keep you updated. Like I ordered another book of Hermes vintage stuff from, they were listing all the catalogs from 1937 up until 2020, I think. So yeah, once I have that, I might be just have another episode just to go over that with you. So now here we go. We have one in the actual original box, so I'll probably leave the one for the last, and the other one is in the delivery package. So let's just get started this one first. I believe I have total of 5 vintage scarf, and among the 5 of them, there are 2 of them I really love because I think the one I really wanted for quite some time is this Cosmos. I'm very glad that eventually it arrived. So okay, I know they doesn't really look like in a proper Hermes package, but doesn't matter because I'm sure the quality will be pretty good. So now so that's 4, then I'll leave the last one at the last. So the first one I want to open up to show you is the Cosmos one, because that's when I'm really looking forward to get it. I have been like look around for different styles, and this is the one I wanted for quite some time because it's very beautiful design, and they have a lot of different variety and color palette. So, and the other one I really wanted was dark blue, but I think the one was on auction is only this orange color, but it's fine. I'm quite happy with that because it's almost like the color of the sun, right? So yeah, it sort of goes very well with Cosmos theme. So yeah, that's the whole scarf. I hope you can see it. And you will see in the center of that it's the not sure, symbol of the sun and Cosmos. And then you will see on the edge you have beautiful green color, so stand out. And then around the corner you have all this I don't know how to say it, some kind of gold or yeah, some kind of figures. And of course he's riding the horse, maybe Apollo, right, like the sun god. So this one has got 4 horses. They all have 4 horses, just different style. And then you will see the material is very beautiful. Have this star, like you can see the star, very luxurious material, and the care tag is like this. So to me it seems quite authentic. So like usual, I will do a very quick tie just so that see what it look like on my neck. I think the most easy way to see the style is this triangle, because so you will see all the color, whether it looks good with my skin or not. So yeah, that's the Cosmos. I can just tie like that. To be honest, I'm not very fond of orange or yellow color, but because I don't have a lot, so have this way, it's okay. Like my favorite color more about red, pink, or blue. So that's the first one. Then the second one, actually have another one, have a bit of yellow color too. but it's a more of a modern design. I'm not too sure this one is actually a vintage. I show you. It's very cute because it's some kind of like a plant. Some plant. I believe it's silk worm, but you can tell me if I'm wrong. So that is a whole design of the scarf. Yeah, and see, still a lot of color is more about green and orange-ish. So it seems like this time it's all about orange color. So this is like the silk worm. That's just me thinking that's a silk worm, and they're beautiful. I don't know what type of leaf silkworm loves. I think that's the type the food, the plant they're eating. And also on top of that, you will see in the middle they have the title of the scarf. Is it the right side? I think. No, that's the back side. So the right side is this one. Right, and I'm pretty sure there is title in the middle somewhere. Because it's new for me, I'm still learning as well. Because when it's on a photo, I saw there is title in the middle, unless it's in the side. But never mind. But this one definitely is very good quality because it's very. You can feel the silk is slightly heavier than the other one. Is this one? Oh, yeah, here we go. So that's Hermes Paris, right? So, and that actually, it almost look like butterfly. It's lovely, right? And I remember in the middle, that was a bigger, like a bird, or, yeah, like this. So there's a lot of leaves, very busy pattern. So let me try to also, like usual, do a quick tie. And like, normally I would like to fold like this and just do a simple tie like that. I think I like this color. It sort of go yellow and green color. So it's very subtle, but yeah, actually that's a good choice. This one is my last bid. To be honest, I wasn't sure I will win it, but now when I look at it, I start to grow to like it. So that's the scarf number 2. Now let me open up this stuff number 3. Yeah, this time it's a more bluish color. I have to bear with me. I know they packed really well in the plastic cover. Because I mean, it's scarf, right? As long as it's not wrinkly, it's okay. Oh, this is beautiful. So that's scarf number 3. Here we go. If you want to take a look at it. So this one is also, to me, it's kind of pretty old style because it's more like some kind of military navy scene, and you can tell those are some kind of, I don't know, generals and all on their horses. And a beautiful color tone. You get a lot of navy blue, go with the golden color. And look at the beautiful boat. And the title is Marine et Cavalerie. Anyway, and 2 Plovos and 3rd, 1795. So it's a bit of like a historical thing, I would say, personally. And on the side, yeah, it's all like, about military style. Oh, yeah, the flags, armors, and I just want to show you. Or horse carriages, and yeah. And then if you want to look close, look at the pattern. I think very importantly is this the logo. You want to see how good quality the print quality is. And then in the middle, it's a lot of soldiers and then then the two like a general. So yeah, I like this one quite a lot. And then here is the Hermes logo here. So yeah, I wouldn't say this is beautiful, but I think it's quite, I got some character with white, light blue, dark blue, and gold. So I might have a quick try as well, because it's new. You just don't know what does it look like, and it's always very exciting when I do the unboxing for all those scarves, because I mean they all being, I know it's pretty loved, but just means it's being loved by whoever. For me, it's like a treasure, to be honest. So very much navy blue and a bit of white color and a little bit blue, like light blue. I think it's a nice scarf. It's also a successful scarf, I would say. So this is scarf number 3. And now we move on to scarf number 4. Number 4 is also a beautiful one. Also very much vintage. Very decorative pattern. Here we go. So it's a bit of blue and gray color with golden, lot of trim, and a knight, maybe you will see a knight. And I can see here is the LVDOVICVS. I don't know, MAGNVS, not quite sure what does that make any sense, but that look like a very similar symbol to the one I had. Anyway, obviously it's like 18th century type of thing, and beautiful white horse. And here, look at all those ornaments. It's gorgeous ornaments. And then that's the Hermes logo here. So yeah, because it's just a very nice decorative style. And here a bit of ribbon. It's like some kind of horn. Yeah, lovely. To be honest, there's a lot of details in this scarf. So for this one, I would just also do a quick tie. I don't want to spend too much time, but I'll probably just do a quick tie just to see how does that color goes when you wear, especially wear black color. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And also I ordered a couple of Hermes scarf ring too, so stay tuned. I will show you once I have my scarf ring arrive. I will do unboxing as well. Now let's go to the last one. Ta-da! So that's the one has got the boxes. I hope this one should be even more authentic than the others. The box feels almost like new, almost like opened. And now here is the box. So take a good look at that. And I actually don't quite remember which one was this one, but yeah, I want to show this Hermes logo. Ready, set, da 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 da. Oh yeah, I know which one. That's beautiful. This one, like Mongolian or African, some kind of hunting thing in memory. Here we are. It feels very good. Here is it. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, it's not as feminine like flowers, anything, but I think they have its character. Look that. I love those unusual tassels. So that just remind me of Mongolian, but I'm not sure. They could be African, because I saw some of the figures on the scarf look more African, but take a look at that. See, and this one as well. It's a beautiful painting. Look, to be honest, I mean, if I have the thing I can hang on the wall, I probably will hang this one on the wall. Because the whole design, the color and everything, it's just very adorable. So yeah, that's my last scarf. And I hope they enjoyed today's episode. Unboxing all those 5 beautiful vintage Hermes scarf. And I will keep you posted. I will have more coming in the next few days. So stay tuned, subscribe, or hit the like button. Thank you. Bye.